Welcome to our video comparing two of the best mesh Wi-Fi systems in the market, Google Wi-Fi system and TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system, Deco S4. In this video, we will be evaluating these products in different categories to help you choose the perfect mesh Wi-Fi system for your home. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment with your thoughts and opinions, and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related reviews. If you have a large home, both products offer great coverage solutions. Google Wi-Fi system set of 3 can cover homes up to 4,500 square feet, while the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system, Deco S4, can cover homes up to 5,500 square featuring, so you won't have to worry about dead zones or weak signals in any corner of your house. However, Deco S4 takes the lead on this one. Both products provide reliable and fast internet service, but with different technologies. Google Wi-Fi system uses network assist technology to select the clearest channel and fastest band for your devices in real time, ensuring a seamless Wi-Fi experience. On the other hand, the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system, Deco S4, provides incredibly fast AC 1200 speeds, making it capable of providing connectivity to up to 100 devices. So it is more suited for heavy internet use. Therefore, both products are great and deliver high-speed connectivity with their unique technologies. Both Google Wi-Fi system and the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system, Deco S4, offer easy setup processes. The setup process of the Google Wi-Fi system is effortless with the Google Wi-Fi app, making it easy to manage your network as well. With the Deco app for the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system, Deco S4, it is quick and easy to set up, manage, and monitor your network from anywhere. In this category, both systems share the #1 spot. When it comes to parental controls, the Deco S4 sets itself apart with its robust parental control features. This feature enables you to limit online time and block inappropriate websites and set unique profiles for each family member, making it easy to keep your children safe while they're online. Google Wi-Fi system, on the other hand, also offers parental control features but not as robust as the Deco S4. The S4 wins this round. Google Wi-Fi system offers a great value for your money with a price of just $48. Meanwhile, the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system, Deco S4, is priced at $109, which is more expensive than Google Wi-Fi. So, in terms of price, Google Wi-Fi system is definitely the winner. And that's all for our comparison of the Google Wi-Fi system and the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system, Deco S4. Both mesh Wi-Fi systems have incredible technology, and it all depends on what you are looking for in terms of features and price. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts and opinions, hit the like button if this video was helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related reviews.